Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So my apologies first of all for not being able to put out a video last weekend. I think I have like 5 days left before me and my girlfriend head off to Thailand. So it's been pretty hectic lately. I've been arranging the hotels, all of the activities that we'll be doing there. So I'm wrapping up a lot of work that I'm doing here right now, so that when we go to Thailand, there's going to be absolutely nothing else on my mind but to go there, have a good time, and possibly fly my drone in a wonderful location. So yeah, a lot of things have been happening. So let me talk about the first one, which is Instagram TV or IGTV. So IGTV is coming up with its own video platform, much like YouTube, but it's going to be vertical video. So the many questions on the minds of a lot of creators out there is, should I get on IGTV? Well, I can't say for everyone else, but I think I am excited actually to create content not just for YouTube, which I have been doing for the past couple of months, but also for IGTV. So expect some nice vertical video output on there. Hopefully you'll get to see me soon on IGTV as well. Alright, so who knows, maybe this video will go up on IGTV as well, maybe as an experiment, or maybe I'll be able to produce content for that straight away. So I'm still going to check out the fine details and see what it's going to take for me to produce output on IGTV. Now another thing is, if you're following me on Facebook, I'm gonna link my Facebook page down on the description, but I have signed up for Drone Drop, which is a monthly subscription box with random things and items in there. So I was really excited to get my May drop boxes, May drone drops actually a couple of weeks ago. So I was subscribed to Drone Drops, and I found out that the main drone drops had a TBS Oblivion frame set in it. So I was really excited for that, and actually I was subscribed for 2 boxes. So so I'd have 2 boxes of the same things, because I like receiving random stuff. I've emailed Drone Drop because I still haven't received my tracking number or anything. It hasn't come into the mail. So I emailed Drone Drop asking them what happened to my May drone drop, and it was a lot of back and forth from the first week of June until today. Actually, today it's a Monday, June 25th, and well, apparently things happened. They weren't able to ship it, or initially they told me that the shipper returned it to them. So I was actually very confused. Did they send out a drone drop? Because I never got a tracking number, and they're saying that it was returned to them, and then they can't send out anymore because they're out of May drone drops. So what is it? Do they have those May drone drops, or don't they? And anyway, they came back to me and just offered a refund. So I'm not really happy about it. It's good customer service. At least they were very open, and they were replying quite regularly to my inquiries. But I'm still not happy, because I was really looking forward to getting those Oblivion frame sets, and right now the first drone drops that I'm going to be getting are the June drone drops, which are already on their way here to the Philippines. Alright, so lastly, I wanted to show you something that I printed off Thingiverse, and this is a stand. So you can probably buy something like this on Banggood, and I'll link one to an aluminum transmitter stand just like this. But I wanted to show you this because this was not actually my original design on Thingiverse, but the original design was much longer, just like the ones on Banggood. But the ones on Banggood are made of aluminum, and this obviously 3D printed. But I have a very cheap 101 Hero 3D printer. You can actually buy that off Banggood as well. It's really cheap 3D printer, and unfortunately it's not able to print out the whole thing on the whole transmitter stand that I found on Thingiverse. So I had to modify the actual disk file, make a shorter stand version, but actually it's quite good, because if you stand it like that, it's not going to be tilted very high, and it's really compact. So it folds out like that. And the greatest thing about this is you have an ethics transmitter bag like this one, then you can just plop it in, and it still fits. By the way, Drone Review Man, you still haven't replied to my comments. So I still don't know what you really want. Do you want one of those ethics transmitter bag? Do you want a lift off simulator or a velocity drone simulator? So do let me know just to be sure. But if I still don't get a reply for you, I'll probably just send you an FX transmitter bag because you've already sent me your address. But I'm hoping that you get to see this video. Comment below what exactly you want as a prize, because for those of you who aren't aware, Drone Review Man won my last giveaway for reaching 100 subs. So again, congratulations to Drone Review Man. Hit me up in the comments so that I can get your prize to you soon. All right. Anyway, let's check out how to get this transmitter stand on your Taranis QX7 or X90.
After printing out the parts, you want to clean up the holes by using a 2mm drill bit just to make sure that an M3 screw fits in perfectly. And then you also want to take an M3 screw, clamp the parts together, and then expand the center hole just to make sure that it fits the QX7 better. Now once you've done that, you also want to press in a hex, a nut onto the parts, and here I'm using the back of a hex driver to hammer it onto the part. Now once all of that is set up, you just need to clamp the parts together with an M3 screw and the nut, and you're done.
Alright, so that is it for today. That was just an update on what's been happening, and I'm scheduling some videos so that even if I'm in Thailand and I don't get probably won't be able to edit some of my videos, I'm still going to be uploading some content on this channel for this coming weekend and the weekend after, and of course the weeks afterwards. I'm going to be back, and hopefully I'll be able to show you all of the things that I'm going to go to in Thailand. All right. So anyway, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do click on that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, click on that like. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. All right. So in the meantime, keep building and keep flying.